What's going on, guys, and welcome back to Keeping Up with Crypto with your boy Xander. Got another good one for you today. We're going to talk about Robinhood adding cryptocurrency to their trading market. For you guys who don't know what Robinhood is a mobile app. I'm not sure if they have a desktop version. They probably do. But it is definitely a mobile app that you can get on your phone, iOS or Android, and you can trade stocks on there for, they say free, but honestly it's not completely free. They do charge you just a little bit of what the exchange is, but I don't think that Robinhood takes any personally. Like, they don't take any money for themselves. It's more of the exchange that they have to pay a small portion of it. So that's what they're taking out. But other than that, it's completely free. It's a really great app. I used to use it for you guys who were into stocks before cryptocurrencies. That was a really good place to go, and it was a really nice and easy platform to use. And I still think that it's a really nice platform. I still have just a little bit of money in there. I was investing in like pharmaceutical companies like Avenger and stuff like that. But I had to pull that money out, and then I put it back into crypto. And I think that's a better investment personally because, you know, here we're about crypto. We're not keeping up with stocks. But anyways, Robinhood adding cryptocurrency to their trading platform, that is a big thing because in the stock market world, Robinhood is a very big player, and especially for younger people between the ages of like 18 to 34, it's a very nice platform to use on your mobile app. So you look at it day to day. You don't have to go home or get on your laptop, something like that, and you can trade pretty frequently and easily. So let's check it out real quick. Robinhood Financial LLC, which makes a popular free stock trading app, is getting into cryptocurrency. The move gives fellow financial technology startup Coinbase Inc. a new competitor, which I think is actually pretty accurate. I think that Coinbase, as up until now, has not really had any kind of competition. It's really hard to get USD onto anything other than Coinbase. Coinbase is just so simple and easy to use. You can just directly put on your bank account or your credit card information and then just send over straight USD, and it can be instant if you use a credit card. It takes a couple of days or maybe a week or more if you're using your bank account or a debit card. But other than that, Coinbase has been really unchallenged. Now it has this big competitor of Robinhood, which, like I said, other than the transaction fees that they have to be paying, you don't have to pay Robinhood anything. So that's really, really nice. Coinbase, as we all know, charges, depending on whether you're using your bank account or you're using a credit card, charges up to upwards of 3%, which in the grand scheme of things is not huge. Like Bitcoin costing 16% to send over to places, but 3% can still be quite a bit. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's still like $3 for every $100 you spend, and most people don't want to do that. So Robinhood's your best alternative. And I do still have the Robinhood app. I really do like the way it works. Let's check this out. Digital currency trading markets, the first paid product other than trading on margin for Robinhood, which made a name for itself by letting anyone buy or sell small amounts of stock without fees. The company said it's only charged for cryptocurrency transactions to recoup the costs associated with trading the assets and won't take a commission. Robinhood plans to roll out the option gradually that hopes to have it available to customers in most U.S. states by mid-year. See, that's what it's talking about. These stocks without fees, but they only have to recoup the costs associated with trading the assets. So they obviously are charged just a little bit, so they're going to charge us for that. That's not too big of a deal. It's a very minimal charge. Now, what they're talking about with it coming into the U.S. is they're talking about this right here. These are some frequently asked questions. You can go to robinhoodmarkets.inc. When will I get access to crypto? Robinhood Crypto will be available to our first group of customers in February on state-by-state basis. And unfortunately, I live in Corpus Christi, Texas, and we're not going to be getting it probably anytime soon. This is the order it's going in. Robinhood Crypto will initially be available to customers in California, Massachusetts, Missouri, Montana, and New Hampshire. We plan to add support for more states soon. So if you're in one of those 4 countries, good for you. You can now trade crypto for pretty cheap. Unfortunately, though, from what I understand, they're only putting on Bitcoin and Ethereum, maybe a couple others that I'm not really too sure about that. But I know for sure Bitcoin and Ethereum will be on there. They're not going to be putting on Litecoin or Ripple. So it's just going to be, it's kind of more like a beta test, and they're going to be seeing how this works out. If it goes well, then they'll keep adding more states, add more different kind of cryptocurrencies. And I really do see this going well. Honestly, I wish that they had their own coin, that Robinhood had a coin, like a Robinhood coin. I would definitely invest in that because I think this company is going to do really, really well. But I think that this is definitely giving Coinbase a run for its money. I really like the idea of not paying any fees and anything like that. Coinbase can get away with charging kind of whatever they want because they're the only one in the space, kind of having a monopoly on it. But now, no longer. Now we're going to see what Coinbase reacts with, how they're going to say, well, dang it, okay, Robinhood selling for 0 fees. Obviously, Coinbase probably can't do it for 0 fees, but they can probably bring down their price so that way they don't lose customers, because the more and more people that notice that Robinhood is free, they're going to be doing that. The one shortcoming that I'm seeing right now, though, is I don't know if you can trade cryptocurrency. Well, again, there's only a few that'll be on there, Bitcoin and Ethereum. If you're doing it for a long hold, then yeah, I definitely recommend it. But as far as sending over Bitcoin and stuff, so if you want to send Bitcoin from your Robinhood account to somebody else's account or to a different wallet, I'm not really sure how that would work. So I'd be a little iffy on putting in money in there if I plan on day trading or trading weekly and stuff like that. If I plan on buying Bitcoin, which you guys know is just something you hold on to for the long haul, then yeah, I would understand putting it on there because, again, 0 fees, and it's going to be in there for a long time, so you don't have to worry about trading it back and forth. But what are you guys' thoughts on this? Do y'all think it's something that's going to be really cool? Do y'all think that they're going to flop it out? They're not really going to do too much with it? I personally think that they're really, like I said, they're just going to really kill it. They're really going to give Coinbase a run for their money. I think it's going to be healthy competition because I think Coinbase is going to try harder to give us better products and to give us better prices, because now that there's that competition, they're really going to have to fight for the users from both sides on where I put my money. Am I going to put money on Coinbase or am I going to put money on Robinhood? I do have both apps, but whichever one's cheaper for me or has the best utility is going to be the one I'm going to use. Which one do you guys plan on using? Tell me in the comments below. Make sure to subscribe, leave a comment, hit that bell button if you want to keep up with crypto. If you want to get notifications, we post daily, sometimes multiple times a day, guys, because we want to get this out to you fresh. And definitely we can't make videos ahead of time because everything changes so fast. So that's why we make these videos and then put them right out for you guys, because we want y'all to have the freshest content. But as usual, guys, thank you for everything. We're almost at 1,000 subscribers, and I'm going to start leaving y'all with this question today. Are you keeping up with crypto?